Freelancing, a great source of earning money online. Freelancing is a flexible and convenient way to work on projects for clients from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. Freelancers can offer a wide range of services, from writing and editing to graphic design and web development, and there is a high demand for skilled professionals in many industries. To start freelancing, you can create a profile on freelance platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. These platforms allow you to showcase your skills and services, connect with clients, and bid on projects that match your expertise. Once you have established a good reputation and built a portfolio of successful projects, you can start to command higher rates and attract more clients. Freelancing offers a number of benefits, such as 1. Flexibility. You can work on your own schedule and from anywhere in the world. 2. Variety. You can work on different projects for different clients and industries, keeping your work interesting and varied. 3. Control. You can choose the projects and clients you want to work with, giving you more control over your workload and income. 4. Growth opportunities. As you take on more projects and build your skills, you can expand your services and rates to earn even more money. Overall, freelancing can be a great way to earn money online, especially if you have a specialized skill set and enjoy working independently. However, it's important to approach freelancing with a clear plan and realistic expectations and to continually invest in building your skills and reputation to stay competitive in the market. To use freelancing to earn money online, you need to follow these steps. 1. Determine your skills. Before you start freelancing, identify your skills and expertise. Determine what services you can offer to potential clients, such as writing, web development, graphic design, or social media management. 2. Create a portfolio. Create a portfolio of your work to showcase your skills and expertise to potential clients. This could include samples of your previous work, testimonials from satisfied clients, and a list of your skills and experience. 3. Sign up for freelance platforms. Sign up for freelance platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. These platforms connect freelancers with clients who need their services. Complete your profile with your portfolio and other relevant details. 4. Search for relevant projects. Find relevant projects on freelance platforms matching your skills and experience. You can search for projects based on keywords, industry, or budget. 5. Submit your proposal. Once you find a project that you are interested in, submit a proposal outlining your skills, experience, and pricing. Personalize your proposal and highlight why you are the best fit for the project. 6. Complete the project. If the client selects your proposal, complete the project to the best of your ability. Communicate regularly with the client to ensure that you are meeting their expectations and delivering high-quality work. 7. Get paid. Once you complete the project, the client will release payment to you through the freelance platform. 7. Make sure to follow up with the client to request feedback and to build a long-term relationship. By following these steps, you can use freelancing to earn money online. It's important to build a strong reputation and network of clients to increase your earning potential and establish a successful freelancing career. There is a broad list of popular skills that you can offer as a freelancer to earn money online. 1. Writing and editing, content creation, blogging, copywriting, technical writing, proofreading, and editing. 2. Web development, website design, website development, WordPress development, e-commerce development, front-end development, and back-end development. 3. Graphic design, logo design, branding, digital illustration, Photoshop, InDesign, and other design software. 4. Social media management, social media marketing, social media strategy, content creation, social media advertising, and analytics. 5. Voiceover, voiceover services for video content, podcasts, and audiobooks. 6. Marketing and sales, SEO optimization, email marketing, lead generation, market research, and advertising. 7. Programming, mobile app development, software development, game development, and database management. 8. Audio and music production, audio editing, music production, sound design, and audio mixing. 9. Data analysis, data visualization, data mining, data entry, and data analysis using tools like Excel, Tableau, and Python. 10. Transcription, audio and video transcription services for interviews, podcasts, and webinars. 11. Accounting and bookkeeping, accounting services, bookkeeping, and tax preparation. 12. Teaching and tutoring, online teaching and tutoring in various subjects, such as mathematics, science, programming, language, and music. 13. Content marketing, content creation, SEO writing, blog management, and content strategy. 14. Research and analysis, market research, data analysis, and academic research. 15. Virtual event planning, online event planning, coordination, and management. 16. Product sourcing and procurement, product sourcing, supplier research, and procurement services. 17. Audio and video editing, audio and video editing services for podcasts, webinars, online courses, and YouTube videos. 18. Animation and motion graphics, animation and motion graphics services for explainer videos, product demos, and social media content. 19. Ghostwriting, ghostwriting services for books, articles, blogs, and speeches. 20. Illustration and comics, illustration and comics services for books, magazines, and online content. 21. Medical and scientific writing, medical and scientific writing services for academic research papers, clinical studies, and scientific articles. 22. Social media advertising, social media advertising services for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other platforms. 23. Search engine optimization, SEO, SEO services for website optimization, keyword research, and link building. 24. E-commerce management, e-commerce store management services, including product listing, order fulfillment, and customer service. 25. Copywriting, copywriting services for websites, landing pages, email campaigns, and social media content. 26. 3D modeling and rendering, 3D modeling and rendering services for product design, architecture, and animation. 27. Online coaching, online coaching services for personal development, career advancement, and life skills. 28. Cybersecurity, cybersecurity services for businesses and individuals, including network security, data protection, and threat detection. 29. Podcast production, podcast production services for recording, editing, and publishing podcasts. 30. Photography and videography, photography and videography services for events, products, and marketing campaigns. 31. Virtual reality and augmented reality, virtual reality and augmented reality services for product demos, training, and entertainment. 32. Business consulting, business consulting services for strategy, operations, and management. 33. Branding and identity, branding and identity services for businesses, including logo design, brand strategy, and brand messaging. 34. Online advertising, online advertising services for Google Ads, Bing Ads, and other pay-per-click platforms. 35. Guest posting, guest posting can also be offered as a freelancing service. Guest posting involves writing and publishing articles on other websites or blogs to build backlinks and drive traffic to your client's website. It is a popular method of search engine optimization, SEO, and can help businesses improve their online visibility and authority. These are just examples of the many skills that you can offer as a freelancer to earn money online. The key is to identify your own unique skills and expertise and to focus on delivering high-quality services to your clients to establish a successful freelancing career. In conclusion, freelancing is a popular and lucrative way to earn money online. It offers flexibility, autonomy, and the opportunity to leverage your unique skills and expertise to work on projects that interest you. With the rise of online platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr, It has become easier than ever to find freelance work in a variety of industries and niches.